Next, exercise 4a. First one, find the equation of the ellipse with focus at 1 comma minus 1, e 2 by 3, and directrix is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిప్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి, దీర్ఘవృత్త ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవాలి, సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలి. దానికి గివెన్ డేటా ఫోకస్ 1 కామా మైనస్ 1, eccentricity equal to 2 by 3, and directrix is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That is given data. Finally, we can find out the equation of the ellipse, దీర్ఘవృత్త సమీకరణం కనుక్కోవాలి. Okay, given that focus S 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3, directrix L equal to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That means x axis, y axis, ellipse, focus and directrix L equal to 0. If P is any point, then SP PM. If P is any point on the ellipse, P x comma y, be any point on the locus in the ellipse. From definition, SP by PM equal to E. SP by PM equal to E. That means definition, conic definition. The distance from fixed point and fixed line is constant ratio. E is called, that locus, that type of locus is called conic. If E less than 1, ellipse, E greater than 1, hyperbola. If E equal to 1, parabola. That is definition of conic. That means the locus of the point which moves constant ratio such that its distance from fixed point to fixed line are in constant ratio. Fixed point to fixed line are in constant ratio. Fixed point is called focus, fixed line is called directrix. Fixed point is called focus, fixed line is called directrix. Okay, that is definition of conic ellipse. That is SP by PM equal to E. That implies SP equal to EPM. That implies SP square equal to E square PM square. SP square means distance between S and P square. That is P 1 comma minus 1, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to E square 2 by 3 whole square 4 by 9 PM square means point P nunchi perpendicular distance to the line, P nunchi perpendicular distance to the line, that means directrix. The distance from P to directrix, that is perpendicular distance from P to directrix, that is modulus x plus y plus 2 by root of a square plus b square PM square. That is formula. Perpendicular distance from P to the given line, formula, that is modulus ax1 plus by1 plus cy. Formula modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Straight lines la formula. Okay, perpendicular distance from point to line, from point P to directrix. Now cross multiplication. 9 into x minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1, 4 by root 2 whole square, 2, x plus y plus 2 whole square, root 2 whole square, 2. Here a minus b whole square, here a plus b whole square, 2 1s, 2 2s. That implies 9x square, 9y square minus 18x, 18y, 1 1 2, 9 into 2, 18, 2 into a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. That implies 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x plus 18y plus 18 minus 2 into x square, 2x square, 2y square minus 4xy minus 8x minus 8y equal to 0. Minus ఇంకోటి ఉంది minus 8, 2 into 4. Next, that implies 9x square minus 2x square, 7x square, 7y square minus 18x minus 8x minus 26x plus 10y, 18 minus 8, 10. That is equation of the ellipse. That is equation of the given ellipse, which have focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3. Focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3. That is, find the equation of the ellipse with focus 1 comma minus 1, eccentricity 2 by 3, directrix x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. From figure SP by PM equal to E, because definition of conic, that is the distance from fixed point to fixed line is constant raised to E by 1, E is to 1, that is SP by PM equal to E. Whereas P is x comma y be any point on the ellipse, SP equal to EPM, SP square equal to E square PM square, SP square E square PM square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, 4 by 9 into root 2 whole square, 2, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ba, 2ca, 2bc. Left side transfer, just the remaining equation is ellipse equation. Eccentricity of the ellipse, of course standard form of ellipse నేను మొన్న చెప్పాను, ఏమీ ఇవ్వకపోతే ది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ద ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse if its length of lateral rectum is equal to half of its major axis, Now, equation of the ellipse, stand form, equation of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, whereas a greater than b. Given data, length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis, half of its major axis. That means length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis, means length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, half of its major axis, length of major axis 2a, 2b square by a equal to half into 2a, because given data length of lattice rectum equal to half of its major axis, half into length of major axis 2a, 2 cancelled, remaining part 2b square equal to a square, We know that in standard form of ellipse, that means a greater than b case, 2 into b square means a square into 1 minus e square. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square cancelled. That implies 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 2. That implies e square equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That implies e equal to 1 by root 2. That is eccentricity. Eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Because given data is length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Okay. 2b square by a. Next, half of its major axis, half into 2a. 2 cancelled. 2b square equal to a square. We know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. That is a square cancelled. A square cancelled. 2 into 1 minus e square equal to 1, no, 1 by 2. E square minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. E square equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. E equal to 1 by root 2. That is fourth one. Next, eighth one same. Find the eccentricity of ellipse if its length of major axis is 3 times length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. That is equation of ellipse. Stand form. Clearly stand form. చెప్పాను ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్. Now length of major axis is 3 times length of minor axis. That is length of major axis equal to 3 times length of minor axis. That is 2a equal to 3 into 2b. That is a equal to 3b. 2 cancelled both sides. A equal to 3b. That implies squaring on both sides. A square equal to 3b, 9b square. A square equal to 9 into b square means a square into 1 minus e square. Same thing like a square into b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square cancel. 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 9. E square equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. 8 by 9. E equal to root 8 by 9. 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. That is less than 1. Clearly E less than 1. Because ellipse. Therefore length of major axis equal to 3. Length of major axis equal to 3 into length of minor axis. 2a equal to 3 into 2b. A equal to 3b. That implies a square equal to 9b square. A square equal to 9 into a square into 1 minus e square. A square cancel. 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 9. E square equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. 8 by 9. E equal to root of 8 by 9. 2 root 2 by 3. That is eccentricity is 2 root 2 by 3. Here condition is length of major axis is 3 times length of minor axis. Here condition is length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. That is problem 8th one. First Roman. Find the length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum. Length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum. Eccentricity, coordinates of center, foci, and equations of directrix of the following ellipse. 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, length of major axis, length of minor axis, length of lattice rectum, eccentricity, center, foci, equations of directs, ఇవన్నీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి దీన్ని. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ని స్టాండ్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత లెంత్ ఆఫ్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ మీన్స్ 2a, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ మైనర్ యాక్సిస్ మీన్స్ 2b. ఎప్పుడు ఇఫ్ a గ్రేటర్ దెన్ b. లెంత్ ల్యాటిస్ రెక్టమ్, కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటర్ h, k, అలా అవన్నీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. గివెన్ ఎలిప్స్ 4x² + y² - 8x + 2y + 1 = 0. ఎప్పుడైనా ఈక్వేషన్ని ఎలిప్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ని స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్ ఒక దగ్గర, వై టర్మ్స్ ఒక దగ్గర, కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక దగ్గర. ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్ ఒక దగ్గర, వై టర్మ్స్ ఒక దగ్గర, కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక దగ్గర. ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్ 4x² - 8x, y టర్మ్స్ y² + 2y = -1. 4 కామన్ అవుట్, x² - 2x, y² a² ఉంది, 2ab ఉంది, బట్ ఏం లేదు, b² లేదు. therefore +1² - 1². here also a² ఉంది, 2ab ఉంది, ఏం లేదు, +1² - 1². that means +b² - b². this part y + 1 whole square - 1² means -1. 4 into this part x - 1 whole square, 4 into -1 -4 plus y + 1 whole square -1 = -1. 4 into x - 1 whole square plus y + 1 whole square = 4. 4 into x - 1 whole square plus y + 1 whole square = 4. that implies 4ని బైలో పంపించేద్దాం. x - 1 whole square by 1 plus y + 1 whole square by 4 = 1. this is x - h whole square by a² plus y - k whole square by b² = 1, whereas a less than b, because a² = 1, b² = 4. a less than b కేస్, అది మెయిన్. అది ఏ కేసు అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక ఆటోమేటిక్గా రిమైనింగ్ ఇండిగా ఫార్ములాస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్ని ఒక దగ్గర, నెక్స్ట్ వై టర్మ్స్ని ఒక దగ్గర. ఎక్స్ టర్మ్స్, ఓకే, ఎక్స్ 4 కామన్ అవుట్, x² - 2x, x² - 2a plus b² - b². this is x - 1 whole square. here also +b² - b². this is y + 1 whole square. remaining constants right side. therefore 4 into x - 1 whole square plus y + 1 whole square = 4. బైలో పంపించేస్తే x - 1 whole square by 1 plus y + 1 whole square by 4 = 1. a² = 1, b² = 4. x - h whole square by a² plus y - k whole square by b² = 1. a less than b. a less than b. therefore ellipse form vertically. ellipse form is vertically. that implies first one, length of major axis. length of major axis equal to 2b. that implies 2 into b means 2, that is 4. next, length of minor axis. minor axis 2a, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. next, length of major axis okay, length of minor axis okay. next, length of lattice rectum. length of lattice rectum 2a² by b, because a less than b case, a less than b case, that is 2 into a² 1 by b 2, that is 1. next, eccentricity. eccentricity equal to root of b square minus a square by b square. b square minus a square by b square. That is 4 minus 1 by 4. That is root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2. Center h comma k equal to 1 comma minus 1. Center వరకు completed. Next, foci equations of directrix అనుకోవాలి. First of all, length of major axis 2b, 2 into b2. Length of minor axis 2 into a, 2a2. Length of lattice rectum 2a square by b. 2 into a square by b. Eccentricity root of b square minus a square by b square. Here a less than b case. If it is a greater than b, then root of a square minus b square by a square. Root 3 by 2. Center is 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Next, foci. Next, foci. That is foci. Plus or minus h comma plus or minus be plus k, because a less than b. That is h equal to 1 comma plus or minus b means 2 e root 3 by 2 k minus 1. That is focus s is 1 comma root 3 minus 1. S dash is 1 comma minus root 3 plus 1. Directrixes y equal to plus or minus b by e plus k. Plus or minus b means 2 by e root 3 by 2 plus k. K means minus 1. That implies y equal to plus or minus 4 by root 3 minus 1. That is directrix. First one y equal to 4 by root 3 minus 1. Second one y equal to minus 4 by the root 3 minus 1. Y equal to 4 by the root 3 minus 1. Second one y equal to minus 4 by root 3 minus 1. That are directrices. Foci h comma plus or minus be plus k. Plus or minus be plus k. h1 b square 4 b2 e means eccentricity. Okay, is already find out చేసాం కదా, root 3 by 2 k minus 1. Therefore ఒక focus 1 comma root 3 minus 1, another focus 1 minus root 3 plus 1. Next, directrices y equal plus or minus b by e plus k, plus or minus b by e plus k, y equal to plus part ఒకటి minus part ఒకటి. That are two directrices. That is problem first one. This problem belongs to a less than b case. Okay, if a greater than b case, automatically reverse. Length of major axis 2a, length of minor axis 2b, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. Eccentricity root of a square minus b square by a square. Center h comma k same. Foci plus or minus ae plus h comma k. Directrices x equal plus or minus a by e plus h. That is the difference between a greater than b and b greater than a. Okay. Second one. Find the equation of ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. For center 4 comma minus 1, one end of major axis is minus 1 minus 1 and passing through 8 comma 0. Passing through 8 comma 0. Okay. Here center is 4 comma minus 1. Clearly h comma k is 4 comma minus 1. Center h comma k equal to 4 comma minus 1. One end of major axis, that is minus a minus 1 minus 1. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఎక్స్ సెంటర్లో వై కోఆర్డినేట్, వెట్టెక్స్లో వై కోఆర్డినేట్ ఈక్వల్. వై కోఆర్డినేట్ సెంటర్లో వై కోఆర్డినేట్, వెట్టెక్స్లో వై కోఆర్డినేట్ ఈక్వల్. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ ది పారాబోలా ప్యారలల్ టు ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్. యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ ది పారాబోలా ప్యారలల్ టు ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్. That means standard form A greater than B case. Clearly axis of ellipse parallel to x axis because y coordinates equal. X parallel to x axis, y coordinates equal, parallel to x axis. Therefore this is A greater than B case. A greater than B case. Okay. Here A equal to A greater than B case means general. A comma A plus H comma K. S dash center. A equal to A plus H comma K equal to -1 -1. A plus H means 4, K means -1. That implies A plus 4 equal to -1. A equal to plus or minus A plus H లేదా minus A plus H, plus or minus A plus H. Okay na? Plus or minus A plus H. Therefore minus A plus H, because A becomes negative, therefore minus A plus 4, that implies A equal to 5. A equal to 5. Here A, ఇది A dash. Okay na? A equal to small a equal to 5. నెక్స్ట్ మనకేం కావాలి? H ఉంది, K ఉంది, స్మాల్ a ఉంది, ఇంకేం కావాలి? B స్క్వేర్ కావాలి. ఫర్ దిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ పాయింట్ 8, 0 required ellipse x minus h means 4 whole square by a square means 25, y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. Passing through 8, 0. Passing through 8, 0. A plus minus A plus H, K -1, -1. Minus A plus 4, K. Minus A plus 4 is -1. Minus A equal to -5. A equal to 5. Required ellipse x minus 4 whole square by 25 plus y plus 1 whole square by b square equal to 1. Passing through 8, 0. Substitution x plus lo 8. 8 minus 4, 16 by 25. 0 plus 1, 1 by b square equal to 1. 1 by b square equal to 1 minus 16 by 25. 25 LCM. 25 minus 16, 9 by 25. b square equal 25 by 9. b equal to 5 by 3. b equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, ellipse is x minus 4 whole square by 25. b square y plus 1 whole square by 25 by 9 equal to 1. X minus 4 whole square by 25. 9 into y plus 1 whole square by 25 equal to 1. That is required ellipse. For conditions center 4, -1. One end of major axis -1, -1. And passing through 8, 0. Center H, K 4, -1. Okay, vertex -1, -1. That is clearly axis is axis of ellipse parallel to x axis because y coordinates equal. Parallel to x axis. So it is -a plus h, K equal -1, -1. A equal to 5. Automatically substitute in ellipse. Passing through 8, 0. X plus lo 8, y plus lo substitute చేస్తే b square వచ్చేస్తుంది. That is required ellipse. Okay. third Roman second one, prove that the equation of chord joining the points alpha and beta on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal 1 is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Here points are in parametric form, alpha and beta. Alpha means a cos alpha, b sin alpha. Beta means a cos beta, b sin beta. The chord joining the 2 points formula x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, whereas alpha and beta on the ellipse, okay, parametric one. If it is general formulas, general points px1 y1 qx2 y2, there is direct formula s1 plus s2 equal to s12. ఇక్కడ general points కాదు, parametric points. That is a cos alpha, b sin alpha. Beta means a cos beta, b sin beta. That is parametric forms. A cos beta, comma b sin beta. Okay. Ellipse, given ellipse, standard form, given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Two lines p alpha q beta. Now joining these two lines, chord equation. Okay, the chord joining points alpha and beta on the ellipse is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now p a cos alpha, b sin alpha, q a cos beta, b sin beta are 2 points on the ellipse, 2 parametric points on the ellipse. 2 points ఉందంటే the equation of the chord of direct formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The equation of chord joining alpha and beta is y minus y1, x1 y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. X minus x1, x minus x1, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next, y minus b sin alpha equal to b common out, sin b minus sin alpha, sin beta minus sin alpha, a common out, cos beta minus cos alpha, x minus a cos alpha. Clearly here formula is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, slope x minus x1. Here slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here points x1 y1, x2 y2, parametric points, because alpha and beta are 2 points on the ellipse, parametric form. Therefore substitute y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. B common out. B by a sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 cos c minus cos t minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 x minus a cos alpha. 2 cancel, sin cancel, sin beta minus alpha by 2 sin beta minus alpha by 2 cancel, 2 cancel, ABలు ఉన్నాయి. A క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ AY మైనస్ AB sin alpha ఆర్ ఇష్టం cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 x minus a cos alpha, already minus. Okay, ay minus ab sin alpha equal to minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 x minus a cos alpha. Here sin c minus sin d by cos c minus d. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d means minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. C plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Sin alpha, cos alpha plus beta by 2 by sin alpha plus beta by 2 x minus cos alpha. Okay, a by here b, that is cross multiplication. Ay sin alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, ay sin alpha plus beta by 2 minus ab sin alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, minus bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus into minus plus ab cos alpha plus beta by 2. Here sin alpha plus beta by 2. Now the right side పంపించండి. bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 ay sin alpha plus beta by 2. దీని రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించండి. AB కామన్ అవుట్. sin alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos alpha plus beta by 2. దీని రైట్ సైడ్ ఈ AB టర్మ్స్ని రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించండి. X టర్మ్స్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నా ABని బైలో పంపించేసేయండి. bx by AB a cos alpha plus beta by 2 ay by AB y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 sin a cos b plus sin a sin b cos a minus b. Okay, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b cos a minus b, that is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 2 LCM 2 alpha minus alpha, that is equation of the curve joining 2 points. Proof అదే కదా, x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. That is the curve joining 2 points alpha and beta, and the ellipse is x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. That is the curve joining alpha and beta. The curve joining alpha and beta. From here onwards, a cross multiplication. First of all, ay minus ab sin alpha, remaining part same. Next, sin alpha plus beta by 2 cross multiplication. Minus b cos alpha plus beta by 2 into x minus bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus b cos alpha plus beta by 2 into minus a cos alpha. ab cos alpha into cos alpha plus beta by 2. దీనికి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ దీని రైట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసి ab కామన్ ఇస్తాం. దీని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసి bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus ay sin alpha plus beta by 2. AB, dividing on both sides AB, we get A bx by AB, x by A, ay by AB, y by B, same. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, cos A minus B, that is cos alpha minus beta by 2. The chord joining alpha and beta is this equation. Okay.